Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video in our journey to understand artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of AI. So what exactly is artificial intelligence? Well, at its core, AI is all about machines mimicking human intelligence. It's about enabling computers to perform tasks that typically require human-like thinking, such as learning from experience, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Think about it as teaching a computer how to think, reason, and learn on its own. AI systems are designed to analyze vast amounts of data and extract insights from it, just like our brains do. The incredible thing about AI is that it can adapt and improve over time, becoming more accurate and efficient as it learns from new experiences. This ability to learn and improve is what sets AI apart from traditional computer programs. AI isn't limited to a single approach. There are various techniques and technologies within AI, such as machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing, which we'll explore in later videos. So why is AI so important? Well, imagine having a virtual assistant that can understand your voice commands, self-driving cars that navigate with precision, or even medical systems that aid doctors in diagnosing diseases. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and improve our daily lives in ways we've only dreamed of. It's all about making machines not just smart, but truly intelligent. Throughout this series, we'll explore the ins and outs of AI, from its history to its practical applications. We'll break down complex concepts into simple terms, so whether you're a beginner or just curious, you'll find value in every video. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our exciting AI explorations. Thanks for joining us today. I can't wait to embark on this learning journey together. See you in the next video.